Hello everyone, today we will repair this old brand car to this beautiful shape, so watch the video till the end. Here is the old shape of this car and I'm going to stretch this in small parts. Here I separate the tires of the car and the lower body. Here I request you, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button for this video. Here almost I separated all the parts of the car and we will repair all the parts one by one. So here is all the separated parts of the car and I'm going to spray this to remove the old ass paint and give new paint. Here I'm given a little bit of shine. Now is the number off to repair the seats of the car. Here I'm mixing the paint and give it to all the parts. So we are here and all the beautiful parts are ready to fit up and I'm going to fit one by one in the car and you will see after some seconds this car will and every go all the parts are fitted here. And if you remember, this is the old shape of the car and here is the new. It's just looking like a wow. Here is the brand new car ready for you and you can see. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share this video.